Uh-oh. Hey, Dizzy, listen. It says here, every dog owner must pay a license tax of $3 today. Huh. Wonder what's eating him. Hey, Dizzy! Come on, get out of there. Come on, Dizzy, snap out of it. Listen, if that dopey dog catcher shows up here, you just leave everything to little old Andy. Understand?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I can handle any old flat-footed dog catcher. It's him, the dog catcher. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm the dog tax collector. You owe $3 for your dog.
No, must be some mistake. I haven't got a dog.
No dog, eh? That's what they all say. So, maybe I just take a look around. Here, sport. Come on there, Rover. Come on now. Nice, Trixie. At the boy, Rex. Come on there, King.
You see? Told you I didn't have a dog.
Yeah, well, just to make sure, we'll give it the final test. Well, Itchy, old boy, was you ready for work? All right, get going. No dog, eh? Dodger. Pay up.
Yeah, I guess I owe you $3.